Hi sir, my name is Yevhen. I am a technician from Appliance Service Guys, a local company that serves the Canadian city of Winnipeg. I suggest you right now subscribe to my channel. Let me introduce a typical Samsung dishwasher with a display. Right now, I'll turn it on and tell you step by step how to enter the service mode of a Samsung dishwasher. Step 1. Power off. Before you begin the test mode activation, it's essential to ensure that your dishwasher is completely powered off. Make sure there are no ongoing cycles or operations. Step 2. Press sanitize and high temp wash button. Open the dishwasher door, press and hold the two buttons, sanitize and high temp wash. These are the two extreme buttons that are located on the left side of the display. Step 3. Press power. Without releasing the sanitize and high temp wash buttons, press the power button. When the service mode is successfully activated, all LEDs of the Samsung dishwasher light up. Step 4. Manage service mode. The service mode of the Samsung dishwasher is controlled using the auto button. To activate the service mode, just close the door. To deactivate the service mode, press the power button. Warning: these instructions may not apply to your dishwasher. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel to learn more about the process of repairing and servicing appliances in the Canadian city of Winnipeg. Appliance Service Guys Inc., your trusted partner in appliance repair. Thank you for your attention. See you soon.